Welcome to our video on keto-friendly snack ideas for work or school. Are you always on the go and looking for quick and easy snacks that won't ruin your keto diet? First up, try some nuts like almonds or macadamia nuts. They're high in healthy fats and protein and are perfect for snacking on the go. Another great option is cheese, like mini Baby Bells or cheese sticks. They're easy to pack and full of protein. For a sweet treat, try some berries like raspberries or strawberries. They're low in carbs and high in fiber. And finally, don't forget about veggies. Carrot sticks, celery, and cucumber slices with hummus or guacamole are a delicious and healthy option to snack on throughout the day. So there you have it, some easy and keto-friendly snack ideas for work or school. Remember, being prepared with healthy snacks will keep you on track with your keto lifestyle.